So I just found these controllers for the Nintendo Switch that have apparently been going viral for like their very interesting thing on when you connect the controller. So this is the packaging bit. Look at that. Those are two very nice Zelda controllers actually. And let's test the buttons first before I show you what the LED is like. Actually no, I guess I have to show you what the LED is like first, because if I press the buttons it'll connect. So press the shoulder button. It turns on the light on the side of the controller, and with the other one, and also like and subscribe to this channel, because I can't really explain why, but the buttons are very nice. There's the normal photo and home button and the direction pad and the sticks, they're all fine, but there's new. I thought it'd be like Nintendo Switch 2, like the C button, but it's called a T button. I haven't heard of that before, but I'm very curious to see how that actually works. T button. So, like this video, please remember to subscribe, go and check out my other videos, and goodbye.